patch of curly dock, and we're going to harvest some of this. It's fairly easy. Once the seed heads are set up and brown like this, take something to collect it in, give it a pull, and drop it in. This is a relative to buckwheat. You can grind it up into flour. It's got a lot of chaff on it. The seeds are little bitty, but you can eat the whole thing. It's just a little extra fiber. It won't hurt you. You can see the seed heads are really small. And what the rest is the wind will catch it and blow it around. You can see the seed in there. It's very tiny, but it would be an important staple. Easy to collect. You can get a lot of it and add it into things. Not to mention the whole plant's useful. The root you can eat. The young leaves, when they're early in the spring, they're pretty well died out now. You can take the leaves, uncurl them, little young ones, and eat those. They're not bitter. When they get older, they start getting bitter when they get bigger. And those you'd want to boil probably twice, dump the water to take some of the bitterness out. You can still eat them. The root you can eat, although you'd have to be a little sparing on it. It has medicinal uses. This plant's kind of along the lines of you can eat the whole thing like a cattail. You can take the stalks when they're green, roast them and peel them and eat them. But you can see I've collected, just talking, sitting here collected, I've collected quite a lot of it. You can fill this bucket up fairly easy. And then I do it this way because it spreads it around a little bit, because you don't get all of it. That way you aren't wiping out your local area of it. Leave a little bit because it'll spread around and grow. This stuff, the farmers around here hate it because it's kind of prolific. But like most weeds that they don't like, they're probably actually better for you than some of the crops that are grown. And grab and pull.